Welcome to this video lecture on the structure and nutritive value of egg. I am Dr. C. Helen, Assistant Professor, Research Center of Home Science, Fatima College, Madurai. At the end of the session, you will be able to illustrate the structure of egg, understand the nutritive value of egg, identify the quality of egg, and you will be able to identify the role of egg in cookery. Egg is a versatile and highly nutritious food. It serves as an essential source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them one of the nature's most complete and accessible food. Beyond its culinary significance, understanding the structure and nutritive value of egg provides insights into its role in health and well-being. Therefore, this lecture aims to shed light on the intricate structure of egg and its exceptional nutritive value, emphasizing its significance in nutrition. Eggs are often referred as nature's perfect food. They are not only a staple ingredient in various cuisines but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Their unique structure and composition make them essential in both biological and dietary context. Although eggs of all birds may be eaten, the egg of chicken is used more often than any other. The whole structure and composition of egg are designed for the development of the cheek. Eggs are typically oval shaped with one end broader than the other. This shape is referred to as ovoid. This shape gives a unique characteristics for the egg, that is, it gives the strength and stability to the egg. The weight of an egg varies between 50 and 70 grams depending upon the age of hen, and to a lesser extent it depends on its genotype. Now let us learn the structure of egg. Egg can be divided into three major components, that is the shell, the second is egg white, that is albumin, the third layer is called the egg yolk. First, let us learn about shell. It is the outer covering of egg that contributes to 9 to 11% of the whole egg weight. About 94% of the egg shell is composed of calcium carbonate. It acts as a barrier against harmful bacteria and other contaminants. Shell has numerous pores on its surface, permitting moisture and gases to pass in and out for the development of embryo. Strength of the shell indicates the quality of egg, and the strength is influenced by the hen's diet. The outer surface of the shell is lined by a mucus layer, also known as protective layer, called the cuticle or bloom. This cuticle preserves the freshness of the egg by blocking the pores on the shell. It prevents excessive evaporation of the liquid content of the egg. The next is the shell membrane. The shell membrane protects the quality of the egg, and it consists of two different membranes. One is the inner membrane, which contains three layers, and the next membrane is called the outer membrane, which consists of six layers. These layers are attached loosely at one place, that is the broader end, which forms the air cell. After being laid, the temperature of the outer surrounding will be low when compared to that of the hen's body. Hence, the inner content it shrinks, which results in the formation of air cell. Next part is the egg white. It is also called as egg albumin. It contributes to about 65% of egg's liquid weight. It contains more than half of the egg's total protein. Egg white becomes thin as egg ages because the protein change in its structure. Hence, fresh eggs sits up tall and firm in pan, while the older ones tends to spread out. As the egg ages, the carbon dioxide escapes out so that the albumin becomes more transparent than the fresh one. Next part is the egg yolk. The yolk or the yellow portion makes up to about 33% of the liquid weight of the egg. Yolk is enclosed in a sac which is called as the vitelline membrane. And there is another important part called chalaza. It is a small two twisted ropes of thickened white, one on each end of the yolk, which anchor the yolk in the center and gives strength to the vitelline membrane. And there is another part called the germinal disc, which is also called as germ spot. It is seen in the yolk, which on favorable conditions develop into a cheek. Next, let us learn the nutritive value of an egg. The macronutrient, that is carbohydrate, glucose, mannose, and galactose are present in small amounts. This will take part in the Maillard reaction, producing brown discoloration in both dried as well as cooked egg whites. The next is the protein. As we all know, egg is a good source of protein. It consists of around 12 to 14% with all essential amino acids. Combination of egg with any cereal or cereal pulse mix will enhance the protein quality of food. The biological value of egg protein is very high, that is 96. Regarding the fat content, it is a rich source of lecithin, essential fatty acids, and are a good source of vitamin A, D, and E. It has an emulsified fat, hence easily digested and absorbed. The cholesterol content is around 250 milligrams per egg. With regard to the vitamins and minerals, it is a good source or a rich source of biologically available zinc, and it is a rich source of vitamin A, riboflavin, folic acid, and vitamin B12. It is a rich source of biotin, but this biotin is inhibited by an anti-nutritional factor called avidin, which is present in the raw egg. Calcium is abundant, but it is concentrated only in the shell. Egg iron is bound to corn albumin, which is poorly absorbed. Vitamin C is totally absent. Next, let us learn how to test the freshness of egg. We have different tests to test the quality of an egg. The first is water test. This test is based on the principle of density. Eggs are simply dropped into water. Good quality eggs sink to bottom and poor quality ones float. Loss in weight is due to dehydration and thus increased the air cell size. Next test is the sensory test. Cracked, smelly, rough surface indicates poor quality of egg. Next is the candling test. This is the most commonly used test to determine the spoilage of egg. The egg shell is porous and allows the light to pass through. The eggs to be tested are placed in front of sharp, bright light and assessed for the following factors. The first is cracks on the shell, air cell size and position, albumin and yolk position and its firmness, presence of any blood clot or foreign elements in the egg. So these are some of the tests to check the quality of an egg. Next is the role of egg in cookery. Egg are, is used as boiled, scrambled or poached for table use. It is used as an emulsifying agent, examples mayonnaise, ice creams. It is also used as thickening agent, examples stirred custards, baked custards, soups, puddings, and it helps in the gel formation. It is used as leavening agent. Examples: cake, foaming omelette, souffles. It has the binding interfering substance. Examples: ice creams. Clarifying agent: raw eggs can be added to hot broth and coffee. It is used as flavoring agents. Examples: custards. Enriching agents to enrich the nutritive value. The best example will be the Bombay toast. It is also used as a garnishing agent, especially hard boiled eggs are often sliced and used for decorations. In conclusion, the egg is a marvel of nature, combining a highly functional structure with exceptional nutritional benefits. Its shell, albumin, and yolk work together to protect and provide nourishment, showcasing a food that serves both biological and dietary purposes. Nutritionally, eggs stand out as a complete food offering high quality protein, essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats in a compact form. Their versatility in cooking and their role as a staple in global diets further highlight their importance. By understanding the structure and nutritive value of eggs, we gain deeper insight into their contribution to health, making them an indispensable part of a balanced diet. Therefore, eggs are truly deserve to be one of the most valuable foods in human diet. Thank you for watching.